You check your phone 96 times a day. That's not an exaggeration. That's the average. Every time you pick it up, you're pulling a lever. You're playing a machine designed in a lab. And you have no idea how it works. Here's what most people believe. They think dopamine is the pleasure chemical. They think you get a hit of it when you see something fun. A cute dog, a funny video, a like from a friend. That's wrong. That's not how dopamine works at all. Dopamine isn't about pleasure. It's about anticipation. In 1997, neuroscientist Wolfram Schultz discovered something strange. Dopamine neurons don't fire when you get a reward. They fire when a reward is unexpected. When something surprises you, when you don't see it coming. That's called reward prediction error. And social media platforms have weaponized it. Think about your feed. Every swipe is a mystery. A cooking tutorial, a political rant, a dog video, a comedy sketch. You never know what's next. In behavioral psychology, this is called a variable ratio reinforcement schedule. It's the same pattern that makes slot machines the most addictive form of gambling. When rewards are unpredictable, your brain doesn't just respond to the reward. It responds to the anticipation of reward. Each swipe is a pull of the lever. Most videos are forgettable, but every so often, one hits. And that intermittent payoff keeps you pulling. But it gets worse. Platforms don't just wait for you to swipe. They watch you, every click, every pause, every millisecond of dwell time. Algorithms track your behavior and learn exactly what keeps you hooked. They create a feedback loop so precise, it's invisible to you. Your reward prediction patterns are being shaped externally, and you don't even know it's happening. Here's the part nobody talks about. Heavy social media use actually changes your brain structure. Studies show reductions in gray matter volume. In the anterior cingulate cortex, that's impulse control. In the prefrontal cortex, that's decision-making, focus, self-regulation. The same regions that help you say stop. Frequent engagement alters dopamine pathways, fostering dependency analogous to substance addiction. And here's the cruelest part. A 2026 study of 500 university students found something disturbing. 38% knew social media was harming them. They were aware of the risks. They understood the costs. And they couldn't stop. The more aware they were, the more paradoxical their behavior became. Knowledge alone is not enough. You check your phone 96 times a day. Not because you lack willpower. Because your brain was rewired by a machine that understands you better than you understand yourself. The question isn't whether you're addicted. The question is, what are you going to do about it? Because the algorithm isn't waiting, it's learning, right now. But here's the thing they don't want you to know. There's a way to break the loop. And it starts with understanding exactly what's happening inside your head. That's for the next video.